Okay then, in this video, let's briefly discuss benefits and practical use cases of Amazon S3, which will also help us understand why we should use it and how we can use it. So I am on Amazon S3 webpage and I am on overview navigation link. So I clicked on that one. So before I was on the storage classes. So if you want to open this overview page, so you need to go to Amazon S3 and then overview. And then if you scroll down, you have here benefits. So the first benefit is it offers you scalability, availability, and durability. So as you know, this S3 offers you unlimited amounts of data. So you can store unlimited amounts of data in S3. So that's why it offers you really good scalability, availability, and durability. And they also offer you wide range of cost-effective storage classes. In the previous video, we saw that they offer several storage classes. And based on your needs, you can select the appropriate one for your case. So then they also offer you security, compliance, and audit capabilities. So that means they offer you encryption and access management tools. So then you can control access to your data. So this is also really good when it comes to security. So then also there are analytics tools in AWS or analytics services in AWS. So for instance, Athena, so Amazon Athena or Amazon Redshift. So you can store your data in S3. So let's say you want to perform data analytics. You can store your data in S3 and you can perform your necessary analysis on the stored S3 objects. So this is also really good when it comes to data analysis because it offers you unlimited amounts of data. I mean, you can store unlimited amounts of data in S3. You can store big data or etc. and etc. So regarding use cases, so you can use this one for backup and restore, for data archiving, or for big data analytics, so etc. and etc. So if you are interested in real world applications, so for instance, Netflix, they use Amazon S3, and also Airbnb also uses this service to store their data. So also you can use S3 to host your static website. So by static website, I mean the website in which the content is fixed. So that means it displays the same information to every user. So since this S3 is a storage service, it can only host your static website, not dynamic website, because for dynamic website, you need a server which processes the request of the clients. So that's why. So with S3, you can store static websites. So that's it regarding benefits and use cases relating to S3. So, and in the next videos, we will see practical use cases of S3. So we'll see this S3 in practice. So that's it regarding this video, and I'll see you in the next one.